Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can change the layout or select a custom layout for your presentations in Google Slides. So let's get started. So guys, simply open your presentation or work on a pre-existing one. And you know that you can change the layout even for presentations you've been already working on. It is actually very simple. So you will see that option here at the top, which is layout. So click on it. And after that, you will be given access to a variety or a list of different layouts. So select your preferred one, and if you click on it, you will see that Google Slides will rearrange the elements of your presentations or of each slide in a new manner, just like that, according to the layout style. So now you can either apply that layout and keep it, or simply rearrange these elements and rearrange them according to your own imagination and taste, and do the same for each slide of your presentation. And that's basically it. That's how you apply custom layouts here on Google Slides. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.